Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go to Aritzia and try the viral cargo jeans. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how they look on. I've been dying for a pair of cargos and the blue ones just sold me, so I'm so excited to go get those. So I just got to the mall with my mom. My mom is right here getting out of the car. So now I'm gonna go into Aritzia and try on the viral pants. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been wanting to try these for so long. I was supposed to go a few days ago, but it didn't end up working out. So now I'm finally here and we'll see how they look. So I came to Zara and they have cargo jeans. So I'm thinking about trying these on. Hopefully their fitting room is open so I could try them. What do we think about these? I don't like them. They're like too big and like right now my stomach is like hurting. I'm having heartburn from how tight they are. I don't really like them. These are a no, guys. So let's go to Aritzia. So I think these are it. I'm gonna try to find my size and we'll try them on. Okay, I found another one. I'm gonna try this one too. Let's see how they look. So there's no mirrors in here, so let's see how I'm gonna do this. I don't know. I'm gonna go out there and see, so you cannot see anything right here. I don't know how I feel. What do you guys think? What is going on? They're all so big. These are really you guys, these are huge. So she bought me a smaller size, and the ones I'm wearing right now, size 24, I'm wearing a size 27, and they're lighter. So let's see how they look. They actually fit. But I'm kind of short, so let's look in the mirror. Okay, so everybody's out there in the mirror, so I can't show them out there. So this is the best. You guys, they never have my size here, and they're actually so cute. So she wrote an order slip so I can order them in a smaller size. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna leave now with nothing because they didn't fit and we don't have any smaller sizes.